Hello, people. My name is Miriam Jonathan. I'm known as Madam MJ. I'm an herbal practitioner. I'll be talking briefly about what Staphylococcus patients are going through from my years of experience in treating them. I'll talk mostly on symptoms and effects of Staphylococcus bacteria. One of the common symptoms of Staphylococcus is red rashes, and that rash is also itch as well. Sometimes once you try to itch it or scratch it, you understand, to be sweeting you, it could happen around your neck, just like this video you are seeing now. It could happen anywhere in your body. It could happen around your private part as well. So let's move to the next one. Another common symptom is headache. Sometimes it may be one-sided headache, and that is true. One-sided headache, especially a very heavy one, it will look as if your head wants to fall. So that is also one of the common symptoms Staphylococcus bring, and this headache comes once you around morning period. When you wake up in the morning, you start feeling such headache. And then another one again is body or waist pain. So not just body or waist pain, even joint pains. It could be anywhere in your body, but mostly waist pains as well, and joint pains, sometimes chest pains as well. So all these symptoms are also common. And we also have another one. We have general body weakness or tiredness after doing just little work. You will not, sometimes just to walk from here to there, you'll be breathing like someone that just carried 10 bags of cement. That is Staphylococcus for you. It makes you weak and sluggish. Now, another one is internal heat or hotness of the body. Hotness of the body. That's inside your body will be feeling hot. Do you understand? Though, for example, now if you sleep somewhere now, by the time you stand up, you touch that place will be very, very hotter. It will be hotter than normal, or you won't be feeling comfortable. Even when there is cold, your body will still be hot inside. It is also part of Staphylococcus symptoms. We also have discharge from the penis or vagina. That is also caused by Staphylococcus. It comes in form of greenish. It comes in form of greenish discharge. Sometimes whitish discharge. You understand? And it smells at times, and some doesn't smell at all. And there are many more other symptoms of Staphylococcus, and many other symptoms of Staphylococcus includes worm-like body movement, something like worm or ant moving in your body. You also have red-like boils as well, stomach noise, fever, and sharp pains below your abdomen. That's a very serious one, below your abdomen, especially for women. Sharp pains below their abdomen. Staphylococcus also causes menstrual disorders as well. It causes sperm leakage. It causes low sperm count in men, and all these causes I mentioned, though it causes many other things, but these are the most common one I've experienced from my treating my some of my Staphylococcus patients. The complaints they lay, you get. So these are the most common ones. Low sperm count, especially, even sperm leakage from the vagina. Yoruba calls it edda. So if you are experiencing all this, it could lead to infertility for a man, and it could lead to infertility for a woman as well, because of the sperm leakage, which is known as edda. And that edda, it's the infection, the bacteria causes acidic environment around the pelvis, which makes the sperm come out back after sexual intercourse. When you have sexual intercourse with your husband, once you release, the sperm goes in, and then instead of the sperm to go in and go fertilize your egg, it will get stuck around the pelvis because of the acidic environment. Then it comes down back dead. So that is part of it. That's why I see most people having Staphylococcus. They are also having child issues as well. You understand? All you just need to do is to get the proper medications for this, and then once you do, you also boost your fertility, your immune system, and also the male too also boosts his sperm count, and then I'm sure everything will be settled, provided that there are no strings attached. Challenges staph patient faces. Number one, getting permanent solution to it. Number two, after treating, it still end up coming back, and that is true. Most people, after they treat, within some months it will come back again. I'll explain that. Let me just finish up reading. Getting the right medication that works for them. Most people find it difficult to get the right medication that works for them. Maybe something work on someone and they will now buy it, that hopefully it will work on them. It will not give them the same result it gave to the other person that first used it. That is one problem most Staphylococcus patients are facing right now. And then this number two, after treating, it still ends up coming back. Yes, that is because it's either the person did not treat properly at first, or the person contracted it again. In my last video, I made mention of it. I said once you are treating Staphylococcus, or once you already have Staphylococcus, you have to practice personal hygiene. If you look at it, most people that are having Staphylococcus today, sorry to say, most of them are not practicing personal hygiene, which is not good at all, because Staphylococcus is not a sexually transmitted disease. It's a bacteria. You know what bacteria means. You know what bacteria means now. So it can be contracted in any means, either by touching someone that has it. And there is something you may not know. Staphylococcus actually lives on the skin. You understand? So it's not just skin, it could stay on the surface as well. Any kind of surface, because it survives any kind of harsh environment, whether cool or hot. So anyhow way it be, Staphylococcus can or could survive it. So once you get this bacteria on your skin, you understand, it's not all that harmful at that period of time, but it becomes very, very harmful once it gets an opportunity to go into your bloodstream and then start, it starts forming its own morphology and start growing. By the time it starts growing, it becomes dangerous, and then start bringing out different kind of symptoms that I just mentioned earlier. So that's just the main cocoa. So number two, again, another thing again is that once people are treating bacteria, this Staphylococcus bacteria, most of them don't adhere strictly to instructions. I'm saying this from experience. I have most of my clients, I'll ask them do this, they will be dictating what they should be doing instead of them to listen. So you understand? And secondly, if you are treating anybody treating this bacteria for you, or any doctor or any herbal practitioner, anywhere you are treating, you should be tracking your process and your progress with test results. So you understand? If the person treating you should be able to take you through that. You don't just keep using medicine or say, okay, yes, I use this one, the symptoms are reducing, okay, I'll use another one again. Use another one, keep using. You have to go for tests to track your progress, to see. You understand? If not, you just keep using, because it is very important. So maybe you're having every growth before, you understand, then you take medications maybe for a period of 1 month. After you finish taking, then you go for test and then see the differences between the old results and the new results. Will tell you how far you've gone. For example, maybe the first one you did before was every growth, then you did another one, it turns out to be moderate growth. Then you know that yes, there are lots of improvement apart from the symptoms you're experiencing reducing. So it's very much important about that. Before you, especially if you are treating with my herbs, I will not treat you without your test result. If you don't have your test result with you, do not come to me. And if you are willing to run some tests, you can give me a call, you chat me up. Provided I see your message, I will tell you the kind of test to run, so we can get started from there. So if you would like to know more about Staphylococcus, I made a video explaining more about it and how it can be prevented from coming back after treatment. You can watch the video on the link you are seeing on this video, mjherbals.biz/video. That's the video I made recently before this one. So I talked a lot about Staphylococcus there, because this video I don't want it to be too long. I just want to make it short because of people watching. Most people complain of that, but if you're really interested in watching, just get that. You just type the link on your Chrome browser, then you'll be able to get to it. So, and if you don't want to watch it on my website, you can search my Facebook page. From where you're watching this video now, just click on the name of the page and then you just scroll down and you see my videos. And if you are watching from YouTube, you can search my channel. You get my videos, most of my videos on Staphylococcus there. And if you need my herbs to treat Staphylococcus infection, no matter how long you have been experiencing it, click on the learn more button to find out how my herbs works, and then you can place your order if you are pleased with it, or you call me on this number 081-7186-3275. Again, call me or chat me. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp 081-7186-3275. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you very much. And please, if you are watching from YouTube, subscribe to my channel so that you will get you won't miss any of my videos each time I'm posting. And thank you very much. A good day all.